Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. I'm just going to do a little unboxing of this Smith & Wesson Search and Rescue. I picked it up from militaria.pl in Poland here. It's an alternative to my K-bar that I had in Australia before I moved. That's the model number of the knife, the CKSURT. And I don't know if it'll be as good as the K-bar because that thing kind of went through hell and still going, so we'll just unbox this and have a look. Oh, tape on the ends as well. Okay, so pretty standard so far. Plastic wrap. Okay, so quite a nice knife. It's quite a lot smaller than the K-bar, quite a lot lighter. It's the model number again. Not bad. Okay, so the case, pretty standard. Velcro belt strap. Some more adjustable belt holders. And a pocket. I believe this holds the sharpener, Whetstone. Velcroed on as well. Okay, so get this thing out. 1 second. Okay, so that's the Whetstone that comes with it. It's pretty light. Probably whack it in here with a flint or something as well. Seems kind of weird it doesn't have a flint. And I believe this pocket can be removed, so if you don't like it or don't need it, it doesn't need to be on there. And of course, there is a little bit of paracord looking string here. I guess we'll see how it holds up in the real world, how it goes out in the bush. Anyway, that's it for this one. Thanks for watching. See you next time.